Today I'll be installing this OverView wireless camera on this horse trailer, so you can see what's going on in your trailer, which can be hilarious, and more importantly, what's going on behind you to keep you safe. Wow, this is really great. Shall we install it now? Now, of course, this is the one camera wireless kit, but because we have changed this, the OverView can actually add up to 4 cameras. So if you need an additional camera, camera number 2, you can buy it separately and add it to this system. One of the most important things I always do before I install anything from any company is make sure it works before you go through all the work of hardwiring something or bolting it into something. So temporarily, I plug this monitor in. Let's make sure that it comes on. I don't know if you can see that on there, but we do have a signal. It's a blue screen and the power is on, so that's good. We don't have the camera set up yet and doesn't have power, but at least I know the monitor works. So let's plug in the camera and make sure that's working. Just as a quick way to test, all I'm doing is putting the negative lead on the negative post and then positive on the positive, plugging in the camera just to see what it looks like inside. Let's see if we've got juice inside the monitor. Yep. And just like that, the camera's working perfectly. So as you can see here, you know the camera's working, it's obviously paired right to the monitor and it's good to go. So you're good to install this with complete confidence. When looking in the inside cab of this F-150, the suction cup mount just seems like a better option because she can take it off anytime she wants, put it underneath when she's not using the trailer. All we did was take the brackets off. There's those 4 screws on there. We sell these suction cups at dakotamicro.com. You can buy one and they fit on any of our monitors on any line, whether it's RazorCam, OverView, EnduraCam, and in this case, OverView. So this is a great setup. It's nice and clean. It's out of the way. She can still get to her sunglasses here, and then she can easily take that off if she needs to. Here's the screws that she won't be needing anymore, and here's all the sweat because it's 100 degrees out here. Because of course I decided to film when it was 100 degrees at a ranch with a bunch of horses and hay and poop. So continue to watch my face get redder and wetter as I film this for you. So now that we know that the monitor works and the camera works, we're gonna install this thing. Now, before I install this is just kind of a little insider's hack trick that I've learned. The magnets don't come in this OverView kit, but if you have a magnet at home, bolt it on the bracket temporarily, because then when you're putting it somewhere and you're viewing it on the camera, you can adjust it before you hardwire and you screw it in. So if you don't have one of these magnets and you want one from us, we actually sell these amazing magnets. These magnets can hold up to 95 pounds. So if you need one of these, go to dakotamicro.com. We just got our new OverView cameras wired in the back of this horse trailer. Let me show you what we did. We left this one on a magnet because this can be fully adjusted because she's not quite sure what angle she wants to see at until she gets the horses inside. So we just found a power source right here by the light. We did a little split loom right here to the back of the door. So that way you can see when she's parking. Some people obviously want a backup camera for when they're driving with the trailer. I know I'm like that because there's plenty of crazy people in this world and on the freeway. She was more concerned, apparently when they go to horse shows, there's so many trailers in the yard that she really wants to know how close to the ground or to another trailer when she's backing up that she can get, because they really pack in these trailers. So she wanted the OverView camera faced as down as possible, so the field of view is actually right here. She can actually see me through that camera, and that's what she wanted to do. So this particular camera was set up this way just for parking, to be able to back the trailer into a tight situation. Pretty simple kit, pretty easy to do. All you gotta have is power for your cameras and be within range of the monitor. OverView wireless is simple, it's easy, and it's affordable. Now I'm gonna go take a shower because I've been sweating my off. Who decided to film at 104 degrees temperature? Can we have done this in November?